Alright guys, they gave us something. Second wave, they gave us 17 orders. At least all of them are close by. So yeah, got Pinarello out. We're gonna be doing a bike check. So once we finish doing all these deliveries, we'll be doing a bike check. So yeah, got Barbin out, got the vessel bag, about to lure her up right now. All these packages. So yeah, I hope everyone's out there killing it, doing what you gotta do for me. With that being said, it is 2:06 in the afternoon. We have until 4 o'clock to finish all these deliveries. So hopefully we get no fail. So that way we could just go from the bike check and not have to come back to the base and drop off any fails. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna strap the GoPro on and enjoy the ride. Thank you, man. And there you guys have it. Just finished wrapping up the second order of the day for second wave. We have now 15 more deliveries to go. It is hot outside. But anyways, what is up, y'all? Talk to me, guys. How you guys like the videos as of lately? Because you know I got a new camera, got the GoPro 11, so you guys already know the quality is gonna be insanely good. Big massive shout out to all of you guys all around the world for the constant love and support. I really appreciate you guys. So with that being said, it's 2:30. We have until 4 o'clock, like I said, and we have 15 more deliveries. So let's go drop these off and continue with the deliveries, so that way we can film the bike check. So with that being said, I'm gonna shut the GoPro on for the ride. We're looking for 309. Oof, it's so much easier to work with clip-ons instead of road shoes. All right. Hello, no problem. It's a beautiful day outside. Brooklyn, New York City. We're by Best Side right now. Barbin Street. Alright guys, just want to talk to you guys for a bit, see what's up, you know. Big massive shout out to all of you guys for the constant love and support. We just finished reaching 27.2k subscribers on YouTube, which is pretty crazy. Yeah, I love you guys. Anyways, it's hot, thirsty, and hungry, so let's try to bust all these deliveries out the way and you know, film a bike check afterwards. So yeah. Love for Stefan. Alright, no problem.
Call in progress.
Yo, I'm thirsty, so let's go get a drink. Hey, you can say hello. So customer's not home, and it is 3:27 in the afternoon. I have 2 more, I believe. Yeah, I have 2 more. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the customer to come. He said that he's 1 block away, so let's see. Anyways, sunny out, and I hope everyone's having a good day today. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna strap the GoPro on, enjoy the ride. Sorry. It's okay, don't worry about it, man. Have a good day. Yep, thank you. Hi. Oh, okay. I was like, oh yeah, sorry about that. Yeah. Aggressive. There you guys have it. Just finished dropping off the last order of the day. It is 3:47 in the afternoon. It's hot and I'm hungry, so right now I'm about to charge the GoPro because it's on 4%. So yeah, we're gonna need that so that way when we record the bike check, you know, with the GoPro 11. So yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. Anyways, I'm gonna charge the GoPro and then head to the city or head to a spot somewhere where like it looks nice. So yeah, enough talking, I'm gonna strap the GoPro on for the ride. Alright guys, we outside. Got Barbin in the cut, looking all nice. Starting up from the top, I have red lizard skin bar tape in red. Yes, that's my favorite color. I love it, pretty nice and smooth. For those of you guys who would like to ride soft, these are it. Anyways, let's continue. We have a nice top purple salsa top cap, looking pretty nice and purple. Got this nice Thompson Elite by 4 stem, looking pretty nice. It's a 110 in black, looking pretty dope. And right here in the front I have a quad lock in red. I had to order the one in red because, you know, it's my favorite color. Got these nice wide 780 risers, zero tolerance. For those of you guys who are asking, they're pretty wide. I love these. You guys are asking, how do I get to traffic with these bars? I just ride, I don't care. And for the frame, we have a nice Pinarello Pista track. Pretty nice, I love this frame. It's a size 56, it has a carbon fork, looking pretty nice. I have a new wheel set, as you guys can see. I have they're not carbon, they're aluminum. So yeah, these are Araya rims, front and back, as you guys can see. I have purple nipples, pause. But you guys see that? Yeah, front and back. And we have some nice Japanese tires, pretty sick. Shout out to Lewis for the wheels. Some nice Japanese tires, pretty sick. I'm running 25 or 28s. Got a nice Thompson Elite C-Post in black. I have a nice Specialized saddle in black as well, pretty nice. This is the Power saddle, 143. Pretty nice. I have a nice top tube protector by Orion. So yeah, really I like the frame. And then we also have a nice Pinarello C-Post clamp. And that's about it. We also got bar ends, a nice little bell. And on this side we have a black lizard skin bar tape. And that's about it. Oh, we also have Omniums. I love it. In black, 165, because, you know, I like the smaller crank. So when you're doing turns, you don't, if you have a long crank, it might hit the ground. I like the short one, so yeah. I also have my signature chainring for those of you guys who are asking what kind of chainring this is. It's a box 14. Pretty nice. I have a 49, 16 at the moment. Look at my chain, I gotta change it. But yeah, that's about it. Got time attack pedals. And that's about it, guys. That's the whip. What you guys think about? Let me know in the comments. Pretty sick. Sir, with the wides. Woo.